Welcome digital art space. In this video I will show you how I create a cover for my coloring book that you can find on Amazon using GIMP. Without further ado, let's get started. So I started by creating the book pages, a size. So I select an appropriate size for my book. Using the radius circle, I create a right and big background. Now I will use a golden frame that I found on the internet, trying to adjust it the way I like it. So once I finish, I also use some shadowing as a book about pole dance that I found on the internet, and using some golden background or picture, and I change the layer mode to screen. And if you are interested about layer mode, I have a full video where I explain how to manage and how to use the layer mode used in GIMP and all software. So I'll put the link of this video in the description. Please check it out. So once I finish, I also go further. I paint a little bit the hair using also the cloning tool that I found on GIMP. I bring my pole dance characters in my page. I try to scale. I change the layer mode to multiply and change the orientation, the rotation, and here you have it. So once I finish with that step, I also upload some pictures of a pencil as it's a coloring book. I also try to adjust the color using a contrast, and I just put them in the corner of the page a way that I think it looks better for me. And I then upload my main image on my cover. I also work also in the edges, trying to smooth it them around to see if they can merge on the page. And I also, as a preview, a small preview, I upload some page of the books that I put them together, decrease the size and change the orientation, just to give a taste about what is really inside of the books. So now I will work on the title part. First of all, I created two squares using the rectangle tools, and particularly the selection one. I first created a big one in white and another one in red, to give this idea of the white framing on the red part. So I also write the book title, and yeah, it is as simple as it looks. So I type the name of the book. So once I finish with this, yeah, I add some emoticon. And please have a look on the final result. I think I am really satisfied about the way it turns out. If you have any question, please also let me know, and I hope you could learn. Share this video and like it and subscribe. That will encourage me to create more of the same content, just to help you, to give you some idea on how you can proceed to create your own cover too. Goodbye and see you next time. So I hope you like the video, and please like it and subscribe. Thank you very much.